Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. VRAX is about to squeeze everyone. We have VRAX is the only one that doing all right. We hunted this stock, guys, in the pre-market live streaming today. We spotted the $6.36 rejection zone and resistance, and now it's about to squeeze everybody. Of course, as we said, VRAX was back in October, was the stock that we were watching. Before that, we spotted this resistance, so we warned everybody to take profit around the 636. 617 was our resistance, and the profit taken, we said $6.36. So this trade was in the pre-market, guys, and we already took profit on it. And now we waiting for another pump toward the 674 for other profit taken for VREX. VRAX, the top gainer for today, one of the stock that we hunted on our Discord early before this live streaming, guys. So let me just put the Discord link down below if you want to have early access to our live streaming. Good morning, everybody. I think everybody taking a vacation because this the end of the summer. They always we have less volatility. Today we don't have many stocks that jumping. Only VRAX and maybe BSLK, but pulling back now. VOXX, we might have a jump at the market open. In the video, we have earnings today. Let us check again those stock screeners to see if we have another stock. Nothing much, everybody. Only two stocks. We could go on our Momo scanner to check more in depth, because here nothing much. AGRI is still below the resistance, so this one could go toward the 7 cents, would be good for a reversal. How everybody doing? VREX is the one, guys, is the one for today. Good morning, Ronaldo. As we discussed earlier, guys, we've got a long weekend this week, so we might have a less volatility before the market close on Friday. And we noticed the less volatility for the market since yesterday because we only have one stock jumping in pre-market, and today as well we have only two. We don't have mini action, so we have to be careful, guys. The market is a bit slow. Yelian Amjad, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome. Wow, we got a bit of pullback here for VREX. As we said, guys, VRAX, we've got a nice a flag here, but the resistance is not clear for now. We have a bit of pullback here because this zone is really critical for VRAX to squeeze. Yeah, it's really critical. We have many hidden seller here around this area. However, as long as we hold this current flag, guys, we're gonna have a squeeze during the market open up. So VRAX is still looking good. This one the same. We have a support over the 3.64 BSLK VOXX, nothing much. So yeah, VRAX is pulling back, guys. Good morning, everybody. Remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open, and 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, or around the 7 a.m. Eastern time on our Discord. Today we discuss VRAX before the breakout around the 617. We said this is the resistant entry, and we took profit around the 636 because this is the first profit taken. And you see here that the price it was just below the resistance that we discussed earlier. So this live streaming we do every day, guys, before the market open around 7 a.m. Eastern time to discuss the market in depth and have early access for many stocks. So now we've got only VRAX that have a chance to squeeze before the market open. As we said, guys, we've got a long weekend this week. That's why you have less volatility for the markets. On Monday, the market is closed for the Labor Day here, September. Labor Day, everybody. This is a holiday in America. Labor Day. Uh-huh. Okay, someone said, please increase the volume. So let me know if you can hear me right now, if the sound is better right now. If the sound is better now, let me know, brother. Litzy 77 or 777. If this voice right now is better, let me know. I was a bit far from the mic. Yeah, perfect. So, guys, we've got a huge day ahead of us. Only VRX is doing good. Let us do a bit of quick run for the stocks that we traded last week. We got Clove pulling back. We have FFIE pulling back. GOVX, many stocks pulling back. Lunar, you see, all those stocks that were the top gainers and now they are really down. ASST, I'm gonna put it on the hot list. ANSC, this looking interesting. SVRE, I'm gonna take it from the list. Game over here. Palantir, there's someone asking me about Palantir on our Discord. So if you can hear me, brother, if you can hear me, let me know, because we're gonna cover Palantir right now for you. One of our hunter ask about Palantir. BOF is not good technically, brother. That's why I don't look at it right now. So Palantir, everybody, looking interesting. We have the 33 as a resistance. Earnings coming up in November, the beginning of November. We have a huge pump after the last earning in August. We jumped almost 50%. So now we might have a pullback, a correction around the 25.80, then continue to go up. Once we break the 33, we have 38 and 45 as a profit taking. The bottom for this year is the $20. This is for Palantir. Now, let us go and check. Oh yeah, Liz Sturmier. I will check BOF for you, brother, just in case again, because we already checked it in the pre-market and I didn't like it technically. That's why I didn't put it on the list for today, just to clarify. BOF. Whoa, now, yeah, I don't like it because, yeah, it's hitting a resistance around the 109. This one big short open since yeah, back in April this year. So this one looking good, guys, for at least going toward the 136 and 178. Now is kind of breaking a current resistance around the 110 or testing it. So let us check how much we can do here. 21% and around this level. $1.22, and we've got $1.65, $1.36. So this one BOF is trying to break the current resistance here around the 111. So BOF looking interesting. Support is now around the 88. So BOF is jumping, guys, is preparing to go toward the 122. How everybody doing? We didn't have any alert for today for the pre-market because the market was slow, brother. So we don't do daily update if we don't have active market. Okay, yesterday and today the market is dead. In pre-market, we don't have any action, man. That's it. But we did our live streaming for our hunters to the king and the elite members. We do every day live streaming. And of course, we traded the VRAX. We have a good profit on this one, 10% on our live streaming on the king and elite. So you can upgrade your level if you want to have the elite, if you have the live, if you want to have the live streaming. BOF is not on trading 212. Are you kidding me? Let me just check it. Oh man, guys, BOF, we don't have it on our broker. So BOF is not there, guys. BOF is not there, but it looked really good, man. Look really good technically. So I'm gonna put it on the other list. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Flower Dream. Nice name. Hello, man. How are you doing? Edison, he didn't receive email for today. Email for what? The live streaming, you mean? The live streaming, we put it on Discord and Patreon. How did, I don't know. I think I forgot to put it on Patreon, maybe. I don't know. I think I didn't put the live streaming on Patreon. Oh man. Yeah, I think I didn't put it on our Patreon. I don't know. Let me just check, double check. Let me just double check here. Okay, you're right, man. We didn't put the alert on our live streaming. Sorry about this. I put the live streaming alert on our Discord instead, so I forgot to put it on Patreon. Sorry about this, Edison. We went live today, but we didn't put the alert on Patreon. So Edison, please, not even Discord or email. No, man. Discord. We already put it here. This is today, man. We put the live streaming over there. So don't rely on email notification, brother. Just go directly on Discord. Ah, that's why we see like just 6 people on the live streaming. I was surprised actually. Sorry about this, guys. I just forgot to put the link on our Patreon. But in the second time, guys, always check Patreon and Discord, because if I miss or forget to put the link there, you can always have it on our Discord. Anyway, so yeah, Edison, yeah. So today we just forgot to put the link on Patreon, but we put it on Discord. We went live. Anyway, so for now, guys, we've got a few stocks to watch. VRAX is the number one right now. It looked really good for today. As we said, guys, hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day. Today we went live early around 7 a.m. We discussed VRAX breakout. It was perfect entry here around the 617. We suggest to take profit first around the 636. And now we might go toward the 674 at the market open as long as we hold this trend, which is beautiful, from my opinion, over this ascending channel. If we don't break this level, we could have a good entry here over the 580 and 564. Could be a reversal zone. The bottom is the 521. BSLK is a bit slow. Yeah, we have a huge dive, but it's still holding the support. So yeah, we only have two men. The rest is sleeping. The rest is sleeping. What is the link for Discord? I can't put the link here, brother. It's a private link. So you have to send me a message on Patreon. If you are one of our member on Patreon, I'm gonna send you the link over there, brother. But normally you should add yourself automatically, you know? Normally you should have access to our Discord automatically once you join our Patreon, brother. If you don't know how to do it, it means this is the first time for you on Patreon. So that means you don't know how to do it. So just send me a message, brother. I will show you exactly how to do it and how to link your Patreon to Discord. Send me a message right now on Patreon so I could fix that for you. Anybody if who you hear me right now, guys, this is really important because today we forgot to put the link on our Patreon, but we put it on our Discord. So please, if you miss our trade on our live streaming for today, if you are on the okay or the elite, please send me a message on Patreon if you don't have access already to our Discord. Okay, I'm gonna fix that for you, all of you guys. Okay, now VRAX. Guys, VRX is preparing for a pump before the market open. VRAX is preparing for something drastic. So be ready for it. Okay, VRX is preparing, guys. It's preparing. Luis, no, the $25 plan is not included the live streaming. You have to pick the king level, brother. Let me just show you here. The king and the elite is the only level that you have access to live streaming during the market hours and the live streaming in pre-market. So yeah, the king and the elite level is the only place where you can have access to our live streaming, the early one, every day at 7 p.m. Eastern time or 1 p.m. CET. Okay, guys, we've got a few minutes left. VRAX is preparing for a huge pump at the market open if we held the current support. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. As we said, we have Labor Day on Monday. That's why we have less volatility for the market. For now, we have 4 minutes left. So as a reminder, guys, remember that we are not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put money on the line. We always go live every day to discuss the market, to enter and exit the right price before the short sellers. And the early access, of course, is for our live streaming on Patreon, as you can see here. Let me just set. Okay, so this is the live streaming that we did today. We just talk about the VRAX. Around the 617, it was perfect entry. We said the 636 is the profit taken where we hit it and we pull back right now. As you can see here, we hit the $6.36 and we went down. And this was on our early live streaming on our Discord. For the discipline hunter, as you can see here, there's no access to our live streaming. The live streaming is on the king or the elite. You have the live streaming around 7 a.m. Eastern time, pre-market live streaming. Okay, for the elite you have the same. However, you have live alert, which is direct access to me during the market hours to ask about entry and exit for mini stocks. This is on our Patreon. Once you join our Patreon, you have access to our Discord automatically. If you couldn't link it, let me know. Send me a message. I'm gonna send you the invite link to direct access to our Discord. For now, guys, head to our channel, support the channel, guys. We have 29 likes and over 100 people watching, but come on. Let's even this out, guys. Let's have at least 50 likes before the market open. Thank you for the support in advance. So now let's get right to it. Yes, thank you, man. This is what we do. We hunt early before the short seller waking up. The pre-market is way better than the market, to be honest. X is looking pretty good at the moment, guys. Look pretty good with VRAX. VRAX have a trouble to break, guys. I think we're gonna have a flush down because this is the current resistance. Be careful. We preparing to go down toward the 584. VOX want to flush down. This one was perfect in the pre-market, guys. As long as we hold the ascending channel, there's a chance for a reversal. What I mean about ascending channel? Great question here. Still waiting for VRAX to break the 640. $6.41 for VRAX. VRAX is squeezing. VRAX is squeezing. Is going toward our profit taking, the 640. VRAX, guys, looking pretty good right now. This one was on our pre-market for today, and now 676, $6.84. This is it. I'm gonna take profit right now, guys, because it's now is overextended around the 14%. Perfect. 690, 691. 688. I'm gonna exit right now with my profit for VRAX because it's about to get shorted anytime soon. We took 16% on this trade, guys, and now I think it's halted. VRAX is halted, guys. Booyah. Again, if you're wondering, VRAX was on our live streaming for today. It was perfect trade on today market, guys. Let me just show you what I mean here. It was perfect entry for VRAX. Let me just go back again. Yes, here. This was on our early live streaming. The entry was around the 617, profit taken 636 and 674. And now we are on the third profit taken around the 712. This is it. That's why we exited just before the halt, because this is a major resistance. Again, all this, guys, was early in the pre-market for VRAX. As you see here, we said the 565 support, 617 entry, profit taken, 636. We had it in pre-market. After that, 674 and the $7, we hit them right now, and that's why we exited from this trade. Great trade and hunt for everybody, guys. This was a really great hunt. Be careful, guys. Now we've got a big resistance around the 7. Hit the like. Don't forget, guys, to hit the like button on the way in. Let's see which stock got halted. We have VRAX with LUDB type of halt, halted just 1 minute ago. And the other one is GBDI and ACDC or ACAC. Let us check those stocks. No, ACAC, not good. GBDI, maybe. This one is maybe, but I don't like it that much. So we only have VRAX, everybody. And might be BSLK. This one could be good, guys, if we broke the 429. VOXX, as we discussed, guys, this one, it is about to break a resistance. Yeah, VOXX. Guys, VOXX looking interesting if we broke the $5. BSLK, I'm going to take it from the list. BOF, I'm going to take it from the list. They're not good. AGRI, not good. MRM, not good either. This one, not today. ASST is squeezed. Guys, ASST, one of the top gainer right now. ADXN, game over. So we have VOXS, AST, and VRAX. ASST, guys, looking pretty good because we broke the $2.35. This one could squeeze more toward the 290, guys. This one of the top and the most beautiful trend here. A really beautiful trend. The breakout and now the support is around the $2.10. ASST, guys, strong. The other one, VRAX, as we said, this one, it is getting rejected. Let us go on Momo scanner, guys, to check if we got something strong in the pre-market. Because at Momo, we can find all the stocks for today without missing any stock and have access to all the markets. So let us go on Momo scanner, top gainers, BSLK. We have announcement here, statement of acquisition. Yes, we have acquisition for BSLK. That's why it's jumping. BOF, we've got branch out, a new branch opened for this branch out food. VRAX, we have announcement as well for the 6K reports. After that, we have WALD. See, we've got something. VRAX is unhalted, guys, and got shorted just around our profit taking, the 712. As we said, guys, this is our profit taking. and resistant. That's why we exited, guys, from this trade. And we discussed this level early in the pre-market before the market opened around 7 a.m. Eastern time for our live streaming. And guess what happened? Got halted, opened, and got shorted. And now if we broke, is mean we're gonna have another squeeze up for VRAX. This is it. VRAX. Where's VRAX? VRAX. Where's, yeah, VRAX. VRAX is pumping again over this resistance, the 712. We might have another squeeze. Yeah, we might have another squeeze for VRAX because it held this pump. Yeah, we might have another squeeze toward the 8. VRAX, ASST is pulling back, guys, toward the 10, the $2.10. We have a target for this one around the $3. If we held the current support at the moment over the $2.10. VRAX squeezing again, guys. VRAX is squeezing. VRAX is still squeezing. As we said, guys, on Momo NX, we found some stocks to watch. As we said, the WALD, I'm going to check it. And again, you can actually win 20 free stocks plus the good scanner on Momo. You can win free 20 stocks once you join for the first time. And this is a limited time offer, as you know. So for now, what we should expect? We expect a target around the $8.13. For now, we have GBDI, the one that got halted right now. GBDI, guys. GBDI got halted, but I don't like it. VRAX is the one still pumping. $7 is the support. $8.13 is the resistance. This is it. VRAX is the one, guys. Is the one. We discussed this stock early in the pre-market today. If you're wondering, around 7 a.m. we discussed the profit taken around the 712, and now is around the 760. Some of you said we're gonna go toward the 8. If we held the 7, 8. Yeah, VOX. Guys, this one have a struggle to break the 5. This one, if we broke the 5, this one will squeeze. What a day, man. Yesterday and today, the same. The market was a bit slow in the pre-market. Once the market opened, we have active action. What a day, man. What a day. As we said, ASST was, or VRAX was the best trade for today. We were focusing on it. That's why it's on the first on our list. VRAX, after that BSLK. VRAX was number 1 on our watch list for today in the pre-market on our Discord. Now holding the 7. As we said, the 7 is the current support. If we held it, we're going to have a new high toward the 8. And 8.13 is the top target for VRAX for today. Because once we test this level, we're going to have a huge flush. So be careful. ASST, the same. We've got a bit of resistance here now around the 275. ASST is still strong. VOXX, we need to break the $5 to squeeze. Otherwise, we're going to go down. VOXX have a target around the 535. VOXS is still holding. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? Let me know if you can hear me. All right. Guys, the market is crazy right now. The end of this month, we have a bit slow market, but the only stock that did really good for today is VRAX and ASST. Nvidia have earnings today. However, the short sellers shorting Nvidia to buy it cheap. Nvidia have earnings after hours. We're gonna do a short update for you guys on our King and Elite swing trade for Nvidia, because Nvidia will break a new record for this earning. We're gonna discuss the profit taking and where we should buy for Nvidia. We're gonna do a chart analysis update for you on Discord and Patreon. Huge action, guys. Earning Nvidia today. Be careful. We're gonna have volatility, big volatility. VRAX is still holding the 7. As we said, this is the current buyer level. We have a big buyer here over the 7. If we held here, we're going to have another push toward the 8. ASST, on the other hand, we've got the big buyer around the 2, resistant or big short around the 275. ASST could go toward the 3, guys. This is the target. This is the magnet. This is where we should go. Again, let us go on Momo Scanner, guys. Momo Scanner to check the market. If we have something, yes, we have WLD, WALD. Let's check this one out. Light and volume, but is pumping really big. We have GBDI. I don't like it. Volume is really light. Here, AGRI looking good. 11 or 100 million worth of volume. We have G or AMPA. Okay. Again, guys, this is by far the best scanner, guys, where I find my hot stocks every day, because it will be updated automatically. If the stock jump in a few seconds, you can actually see it here with the volume, with everything you want to know, even the price close, the high, the low, the bid, even the ask, even the quote for or the level 2 is there on the list. So this is really good, guys. You can have everything here. Just turn right and you can have everything for the Momo scanner. So yeah, it's perfect to just focus on one place. You can find everything. You don't have to like go on other website to check the stock. So let me just put the link for Momo, as everybody want to scan the market really fast. ASST is about to break, guys, the 270. VRAX is still holding the $7. VOXX is about to pump here, guys. We've got support now over the 488. Breakout is about to happen around the 504. This one could go toward the 534 and squeeze more. Let's go. We have 3 stocks. NVIDIA, I'm going to take it from the list. ASST still testing. Guys, we have ASST and VOXX. Both of them testing a resistance. Both of them, it is about to test a huge resistance. So VRAX is going down, breaking the support. So be careful, guys. This one is pulling back down. So I'm gonna adjust the level of support around the 640 for VRAX. ASST is the one right now to watch, guys. ASST is the one to watch because we're gonna have a breakout at the moment. And we have a limit of 300 shares for ASST. ASST right now, if we broke, will be perfect. Now or never. ASST, we need to break now. We need to break now to go toward the 309. Let us check. We have a support around the $2.35. And the current resistance is still, has been tested around the 275. VRAX is pulling back, VOXX is pulling back. So ASST is the number one right now. The number one candidate to break the 275. If we broke, would be hallelujah. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback. Simple as that. Guys, hit the like. As we said, we always go live every day to hunt for the market. Okay, so let's see. We have a pullback still. 275 is the resistance. We didn't break it. ASST. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna put alert for ASST to warn us about the breakout like this. VRAX is pulling back. VOXX is pulling back as well. Are we halted down for VOXS now, guys? Let us check if we halted down. Nope, we're not halted yet. False halt. ASST is pulling back. So for ASST, guys, we have a support at the moment over the $2.35. If we held it, we're gonna squeeze up. So we're gonna give it some time to have this reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna flush right now. Otherwise, we gonna flush. Let's give it some time. This one as well, looking good. I'm gonna put alert for it around the 508. 508 and the 278. So we have 2 stocks to watch for a breakout. As a reminder, if you just join us, guys, so remember we always go live every day. So not just today, but tomorrow as well. And as we said, this next week we have a long weekend. Monday is market close. So if you live in Europe, why the market's closed? Because we have Labor Day in America. So we expect less volatility on Friday. So I don't suggest anybody to trade on Friday, guys. It would be risky, a bit risky. So as we said, we always go live every day. around 7 p.m. CET, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Eastern time. 7 a.m. Eastern time every day, guys, on our live stream. As you can see here, 7 a.m. Eastern time on the market. Live streaming only for the king and elite. So if you are a discipline hunter, you can just upgrade your level to have access to our live streaming. Today for live streaming was for VRAX. So we discussed the entry around the 617. We hit all the profit taken until the 712 once the market opened. Was a great trade for our traders for today before even the market opened. JR, GCTS is pushing. Thank you for the reminder. GCTS, I'm gonna check it right now. My brother, I'm gonna check it right now if we got something. Yeah, it's pushing, but it's pushing from the depth of the sea. So it's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea, guys. I like mint tea with dark chocolate. So this one is not mint tea. It's not green tea. This one is dark tea. So it's not my cup of tea. Anyway, GCT is dangerous, man. It's dangerous. Anyway, ASSTS or ASST double ST still shrine. VOXX is still shrine and pull back now. Pull back big time. So we have to wait. Not now. Not now. Not now. We kind of pumped here. Yes, we kind of pumped around this level. Now is correcting again. WALD, WALD. Let us check this one. Nope, not good, man. Not good at all. So yeah, ASST, the one that could push, the one that could give us some gain. VHAI, VHAI, one of the top gainer before. One of the top gainer before, and now broke the support around the 56. VHAI started to move again. We've got a bottom around the 4 cents, and the current resistance it is around the 6, almost 6 cents. Target exit, brother, is around the 7 cents, and of course the 8 cents and the 9.50 cents. So this one could reject really quick. So now we have the almost the 6 cents, brother. If we get rejected here, it means we're gonna pull back toward the 4. If we broke, yeah, we started to squeeze up for VHAI. Now it's just 8%. Oh man, ASST not good at all now. It's pulling back big. It's pulling back big. Not good, my brother. Not good. ASST not good for now. Yes, it broke this trend, man. After it broke this trend, it was kind of over. Yes, man. Here, there. But now is not over because we're still holding this support. If we broke the $2.35, yeah, it could be not good for today to squeeze because we're gonna have another 11% down. You are welcome, John. You are much welcome, my brother. We have to watch closely. ASST still trying to hold. VRAX try to reverse with VOXX. As we said, ASST $2.35. This is it. We held is okay. If we didn't, is not okay. Um, Jean, today will be hard, man. Today I'm not available. Would be a bit hard for today. Let us do it tomorrow, maybe. Tomorrow is Thursday. Hmm. So if I finish right now, around 5. John, I will try today. I will try, brother. I'm gonna send you the link for now because tomorrow I might have a Zoom meeting with other like with other trader. So yeah, I'm gonna do it today, brother, around 5 p.m. or 1 hour from now. Is okay? Let me know, brother. 1 hour from now. 1 hour exactly from now, we can do our live streaming or Zoom meeting. I'm gonna send you the link by email after we finish our live streaming right now. No problem, man. No problem. No problem. Always have time for our hunters. As we said, guys, VRAX was the top gainer and the top stock for today. Broke our resistance, the 617, and went to our profit taking as we discussed, 712. This live streaming we do every day, guys, around 7 a.m. Eastern time, as you can see here on our Patreon. So you can join us if you join on the King or the Elite. Okay, this is Hunter already sold out, and at the same time, you don't have access to live streaming. So the live streaming only available. The early live streaming is only available on our Patreon and Discord. Once you join our Patreon, you can have access to our Discord automatically. So for now, guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We're gonna discuss NVIDIA earnings later, guys. NVIDIA earnings, we're gonna discuss it on our Discord because today we have earnings coming up for NVIDIA after hours. We have a huge estimate for NVIDIA earnings. Let me just check the earnings for NVIDIA. Here we have estimate 0.56 and 24 billion. And here we have 28 billion and 64. So we have a huge estimate still for NVIDIA. We're going to discuss it on our Discord, guys, about the support and resistance for NVIDIA later and how we could trade it for today after hours earnings for NVIDIA. Will be huge, guys. ASST broke the support, so we're going to have a huge dive down. It's not good now. VREX looking good. VOXX not that good. VHAI, I'm gonna take it from the list. So as we said, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. Thank you for watching and see you on our Discord. And of course for tomorrow, because the live streaming will be early as usual, around 9 a.m. Eastern time, and the early one on our Discord around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So thank you for watching, everybody, and see you in our Discord because we're gonna discuss the market later. And don't forget to snatch your 20 free stocks on Momo and X because it's limited time offer until September. So thank you for watching and see you in a bit.